Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today, we're exploring Petra, Jordan, a place where ancient rock-carved wonders meet desert landscapes, and history whispers through the rose-red walls of a lost city. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Petra together. Hidden deep within the rugged desert canyons of Jordan lies one of the world's most extraordinary treasures, Petra, the ancient rose-red city carved into stone. A place of mystery, beauty, and resilience, Petra is more than just an archaeological wonder. It is a timeless journey into the heart of history. Known as the Lost City, Petra was once the thriving capital of the Nabataean kingdom, a powerful civilization of traders who mastered the desert more than 2,000 years ago. What they left behind is nothing short of breathtaking. A city hewn directly from sandstone cliffs, glowing in shades of red, gold, and pink. The approach to Petra is as unforgettable as the city itself. Travelers enter through the Sayk, a narrow gorge with towering rock walls that rise nearly 200 feet high. Every twist, in turn, builds anticipation until suddenly the canyon opens to reveal Petra's most iconic monument. Al-Khazneh, or the Treasury. Its grand facade, carved with perfect symmetry, glows in the sunlight, leaving visitors speechless at the artistry of the ancients. But the Treasury is just the beginning. Beyond it lies a sprawling city of tombs, temples, and theaters, each carved into the cliffs with astonishing detail. The monastery, larger and higher than the Treasury, rests atop a steep climb, rewarding those who make the journey with awe-inspiring views over the desert mountains. Walking through Petra is like stepping back in time. You can almost hear the echoes of merchants in the ancient marketplace, the chants of worship in the temples, and the footsteps of travelers who once crossed these sands on the legendary Silk Road. The desert itself adds to Petra's magic. At sunrise and sunset, the sandstone glows with fiery colors, while at night the skies above sparkle with countless stars, casting the city in an ethereal glow. It's easy to see why Petra is one of the new 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is both a monument to human creativity and a masterpiece of nature's artistry. Petra is not just a destination to be seen, but a story to be felt, a reminder of the civilizations that came before us and the timeless bond between humanity and the land. For every traveler who ventures here, Petra offers something rare and unforgettable: the chance to touch history, carved into stone and kept alive by the desert winds. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Petra. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.